walks in quiet, hat tipped low. Stage light shimmer, time moves slow. Mic in hand, she takes her ground, smiles and says, I just love the sound. The bass starts humming deep and round. Keys drift soft like rain on town. She closes her eyes, lets her heart unbound. Yeah, she loves the sound. She loves the sound like jazz heartbeat, from Ella swing to Coltrane's heat. Louis' laugh, Sarah's sigh, notes that never say goodbye. It's where her soul was truly found. 'Cause she loves, oh she loves. A trumpet whispers, a saxophone pleads, drummer paints a rhythm with time concedes. She scats a smile, that velvet round. The room melts down to just the sound. She ain't chasing fame or gold. She's chasing stories never told. From Dinah's fire to Duke's sweet scene, she's living out that jazz-born dream. They'll still hear her there in the sound. She hums one note, pure